I wanted to just briefly talk about some opportunities that RSNA has for trainees, things that you may or may not be aware of. And this will just take a couple minutes, so if you can just bear with us. So I wanted to talk about radiographics. So radiographics is one of the journals put out by the RSNA, and they have specific content for trainees under this training tab. So if you go under this training tab, you can access the ABR course study guide. And if you do that, you'll see that it follows the ABR course study guide and it puts articles with each of the subtopics. So this is really great for trainees of all levels who are preparing for this exam over the course of their years in residency. Additionally, if you're a trainee and you want to submit an educational exhibit to the RSNA, if you look at where there are gaps in this core study guide, those educational exhibits are more likely to be chosen as a radiographics article. So if you do a really great job on an educational exhibit for RSNA in an area where there is a gap in the course study guide, that project is more likely to be selected by the RSNA for a radiographics article. So you could be getting double credit, once for an educational exhibit and once for a radiographics article. I'm sure many of you already know about the RSNA physics modules. Recommend starting these early in your training to prepare for the physics portion of the exam. Even though sometimes you may find them to be a little bit time-consuming, they're really, really great and will help you pass that physics portion of the exam. There's this new offering by the RSNA and the American Society of Neuroradiology called the Comparative Effectiveness Research Training Program. And this is to train both senior trainees as well as junior faculty in comparative effectiveness research. So they found that there's a gap in our training in this area, and they want to be able to prepare trainees and faculty members to be able to do this kind of research in radiology. So there's this training grant and educational program that's a one-year program. So this is something you should know about if you are interested. I wish that they had this when I was in training. I think it would have been a lot of fun and a great learning experience. The RSNA also has a job board kind of similar to the ACR, but one of the things that's important for trainees to know about is this search for fellowships. So if you go under the search for fellowships in the Career Connect, you can get listings of all the fellowships that are available in the country, including, as you can see, unexpected openings. So let's say you have a change in life plans and you're looking for you're looking to switch at the last minute into a new fellowship. You can see if unexpected openings have come up through there. And then for those of you in fellowship, if you're searching for jobs, there's lots of postings for jobs as well. Lastly, I want to talk about the R-Cubed program. So we have a program where we have selected a second-year resident representative from the different residencies to be a bridge between the RSNA and the resident program. Not every residency is participating yet, and if your residency is not, please let us know so we can get you involved. But this is a way to enhance communication and let the residencies know about what we're doing at RSNA so that they can get involved. So that's it. I just wanted to let you know that these are things that we have to offer: the radiographics, core study guide, the physics modules, the comparative effectiveness research grant, Fellowship Connect and Career Connect, and then the R-Cubed program. Lastly, I just wanted to thank the RSNA Resident and Fellows Committee for working so hard to put this symposium together and to put together these other programs throughout the year. Thank you.